Hey guys, again we'll be back again in our 16th video in PHP. Now in this video simply again we are going to be looking at one another super global. My friends who has just joined us, and maybe you love to watch OSP video and this is your first time to watch this video, I always recommend you please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscription is for free ever, my friends. Don't be confused up. No, let no someone lie you. Subscription is for free. And commenting is also for free. So but the condition is this: subscribe, then you can comment on my wall, tell me what maybe you would like us to cover next. Now members, at the moment I want to tell you what's a super global. Now super global simply means these elements we can always pick them anywhere in our program. Okay, the super global kind of element, they began when the PHP was actually the version is 4.1 and above. That's when now they began using the super global elements. Now simply I'm going to show you one, or I'm going to show you some of them. There are most of them that I have to list down on my editor here, though I'm going to look one by one as we proceed in our program, which I'll explain to the rest to you guys later on. Let me start with this one here called let me start with one on us globals. There's server, there's request, there's post, there's get, there's files, there's invil, there's kogu, or one on us cookies, and then there's one on us sessions. So members, I'll explain all the rest later on to you, but let me start with the first of all what known as globals. So now what's simply globals? Now for them they are used to access global variables from anywhere in the PHP script, also from within a function or methods. So PHP stores all global variables in an array called globals as an index. So the index holds the names of the variable of which maybe you would like to call. Now I give assumption. I'm just going to do something simple, then I'll let you know what I'm trying to talk about. If I happen to come back here and I say maybe a first name, and the first name I happen to come back here in my program and I give it one known as Uguti, just want to make use OSP. Now that's it, that's my first name. Now if I want to pick that information and I put in the declare another function, if a function there, I can just give one known as names to be like the function in my program that will be holding the entire names of my script. Now this one's going to be my first name, just like a name, simple giving up names as a declaration. Then what I want to talk about is the super global, which I'm going to be putting inside this script, which is going to be one known as global. That's it, global. That's it. So inside here goes in a variable. You can also put a variable, but for them and with the super global you don't again declare it because it's already been declared here outside. So what we're going to do at the moment, just come back inside here and say maybe last name, something like that. Then last name should be equal to something, something that they're telling you there. So for us in our case, we are just going to make our last name is equal to pro, something just simple like that. Remember the first name is OSP and the last name is pro. Now if that's what we have in our program, that's what simple I'm going to say we have in our program. So I'll get out of this script and then I happen to come in, I call my global variable by putting my that's the names which you declare this as a function inside here in the program, and maybe happen to terminate. Now that implies next time when I happen to come to the program and I say echo for me, if I tell the program that to echo for us one on us now last name in this program, the last name not last names, the last name in this program, you'll discover that now I can now get the last name out of that. So if I happen to save and happen to come back in the program and maybe happen to refresh, you should get the last name as pro, and that's it. Should get the last name as a pro. That implies in the same way we can also pick the first name and the second name in the database and then we echo them at the same time. This is it. So if I happen to get that, I think that demonstration is fine. So you just come back in the program and just try to echo for you a complete product. So if I happen to come back inside here and maybe try to tell the program that my name is Now my name is what? My name is going to be the first name, which is OSP. You can always take that off, which is going to be inside here. I can simply say my name is OSP, and then I'll put the dot there. I'll put some kind of spacing in my project with the dot also there. Then I can also come and pick the last name of my program, just like that. Now this is it, how PHP is going to be understanding your statement, whereby this is your name that you happen to call, declare there, and this is your function, and for you to call this function, I happen to call it outside here. That implies whatever is inside, which is a global, like last name, which is a pro, will be at the end of time be echoed out as long as this variable there. You try when this is not there, then just know that all the stuffs about the pro, which is inside this function, that implies is not called. So when you happen to come back inside here and say echo, then definitely will ask you that you need to first define the variable. That's what you have to get there as an error. So for these two cases of ours, shall get this one printed first as pro, and then the last name is going to be telling us that my name is OSP Pro, just like this. If I happen to try this program and I try to run it, we should get one on us. My name is OSP Pro. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. The codes are ever there, and that's the codes that my friends have to master if at all we are beginning using one known as the global variables. My friend, thanks for watching. Don't please forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.